Welcome to Candy Park Bowling! Let's stack these giant neon candy canes!
Yeah! Check out our bowling ball! It's a giant, smooth brown coconut!
Get ready, everyone! I am aiming right for the center pin. 1, 2, 3, roll! Go! Oh no! The coconut ball is veering off the track! It rolled right into the giant, swirling pink lollipop tree.
Don't worry, friends. I have a plan to get our ball back.
Yeah!
Looloo, hop up on my shoulders. We need a high view.
Woo! Up we go! Wow, Puffy Panda, you are so strong. Boom, boom! Look what I have! A long, bouncy yellow rope. Hey! Woo! I'm going to lasso the coconut. Stand back, Tommy. Steady, fly! Got it! The rope is locked tightly around the ball. Yay!
Pull together, Looloo. I've got your back. It's free! The coconut ball is coming down safely. Safe landing. Teamwork always wins the day.
Let's carry it back to the bowling lane together. The pins are still standing. Haha, let's try this roll again. Your turn, Puffy Panda. Show us how it's done.
Here comes the Super Panda Strike Roll.
It's going straight for the pins! Look out! Strike! All the candy cane pins knocked down!
Playing fair and helping each other makes the game fun for everyone.
That's right! Sharing turns and working as a team is the best! We are all bowling champions today! Hooray! Let's gather up the neon candy canes and play again! Goodbye, everyone! Remember to always play fair and have fun!
See you next time for more awesome games.